A very good morning to all students. This is Indu Minhas, your English teacher from Vishisht Public School. So, as all of you know, we were doing editing. So, today we will also continue with our practice of editing. Okay, and you will write down all the passages that we have done during the class in your fair notebook. Many students asked me about the notebook in which they are supposed to do their homeworks or to do their practice. Okay, so I want to tell you all this thing, that all the given works you will do in your fair English notebooks. Okay, students, so let us start with our next passage. You will do practice of it along with me. Okay, so let us start our first passage, that is of error correction. Okay, so Louis Braille is 3 years old, where he lost his eyesight as a result of a accident. Okay, students, so whenever you start doing your editing, first of all take one reading of the whole passage. Okay, so that you can have an understanding of the passage. And the first thing, you will note down the tense, in which tense the passage has been written down. Okay, so it is one of the major mistakes, one of the major thing that in which way we can find out the error. Okay, first we will note down the tense in which the passage is written down. Okay, the other mistakes may be about a use of preposition, as I told you earlier, also use of conjunctions. Okay, and it may be use of adjectives and articles and the. Okay, so these are the various way in which you can find out your error. Okay, and from the very first two lines we come to conclude about the tense of the passage, whether the passage has been written in present tense or in past tense. Okay, from the first two lines mostly we conclude. Okay, here Louis Braille is 3 years old, where he lost his eyesight. Okay, as a result of an accident. So lost is second form of verb, and the use of second form of verb signifies the past tense. Okay, it means the passage is written in past tense. Okay, because lost is second form of verb. So Louis Braille is 3 years old. Here the mistake is. Okay, it should all. So the mistake here is of is. Incorrect word is, and the correct word is was. Okay, so Louis Braille was 3 years old, where he lost his eyesight. Okay, so mistake is of, very clearly you can find out where. Okay, so the joining word is wrong here, it should be when. Okay, he was just 3 years old when he lost his eyesight. So wrong word is where and right word is when. When he lost his eyesight as a result of a accident. Okay, so a accident, a article is wrong here. Okay, accident, this word starts with the vowel sound. Okay, so we should write down here an in place of a. Okay, a is the error and n is the correction. Okay, so one day a needle pierces one of his eyes. Okay, so pierces, again the error in the use of tense, it should be pierced. Okay, so pierces is the incorrect word and pierced is the correct word here. So, pierced is the right word. When he playful hit it with a hammer on his father's leather workshop. When he playful hit it. Okay. So, mistake is playful. It should be playfully. Okay. Adverb. So, right word should be playfully. And the wrong word is playful. Because we have to use an adverb here. When he playfully hit it with a hammer on his father's leather workshop. Okay, so mistake here is in the use of preposition. In his father's leather workshop. On is the incorrect word and in is the correct word. Okay. So leather workshop, his eyes cannot be saved. Again, mistake of tense. Here we should use could. His eyes could not be saved, though the doctors did their best. Sorry, there is no mistake in the last line. When there is no mistake and there should be no blank in the given space. Okay, so this was the passage. Now coming to the next passage. Reading books is the best hobby for past leisure. Okay, reading book is the best hobby. You must have read about the degrees of adjective. Okay, with the third degree of adjective we always use the. Okay, good, better, best. Okay, best is third degree of adjective, so we will use the here. Okay, the. Okay, when we say she is the most beautiful girl, third degree of adjective, we always use the when we write down third degree of adjective. Okay, means tall, taller, tallest. If we write down tallest, he is the tallest boy. Okay, you must have read it earlier also. So reading book is the best hobby for past leisure. For it should be either for passing leisure or it should be to pass leisure. So for is the incorrect word and to is the correct word. Okay, to pass leisure. It opens an vast new world for us. And no need of an here. There we have not used any vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound. Which sounds are vowel sound? A, E, A, U. These are the vowel sounds. So V, sound of V. It is a consonant sound. So here we will write down. An is the incorrect word and a is the correct word. Okay. It opens a vast new world for us. It increases its knowledge. Okay. Its knowledge. Pronoun is wrong. It increases our knowledge. Okay. We will use our. It increases our knowledge and it changed our outlook. Here the use of tense. It changes our outlook to see the world. So changed is the incorrect word and changes is the correct word. Okay, students. So in this way, you will do more and more practice of editing, and more the practice you will do, the more expert you will become in solving such passages of editing. Okay, students, and I will give you one passage for homework also, and along with these two passages you will do that passage also in your English notebook too. Okay, students, thank you so much.